Welcome to Activity 2, A Little Harder. In this activity, we will be identifying the number that comes one after for numbers from 10 to 20. To complete each of the three activities, you need one of each block from 1 to 10, placed in a jumbled pile within reach of both players. To complete the first activity on the number track, I have Karis here with me.
Hello.
I'm going to ask Karis to close her eyes. I'm going to spin the spinner, and then I'm going to build the number spun. I'm going to cover up the number that is one after, which is what Karis is going to say. So open your eyes. Can you tell me the number that's one after the number spun?
The number after 14 is 15.
And you're correct. And so Karis will write that as her score. We then swap roles. I'm going to close my eyes and Karis is going to spin, make the number, cover up the answer I'm going to say. And
You can open your eyes now.
Okay. The number after 16 is 17.
You're correct.
Good. And because mine was the greater number, I win that round. If I accidentally said, can you cover it up again? If I accidentally said the number after 16 is 18, you would show me the correct answer and I would just repeat and say the number after 16 is 17 and I would write it down correctly. Now it's your turn.